We have here the Logitech B175. This is a budget-friendly wireless mouse with a price that typically ranges from 450 to 680 Philippine pesos. It is an affordable option for those looking for a reliable and straightforward wireless mouse without breaking the bank. As you can see here, it connects through a 2.4 GHz wireless USB dongle with 10-meter range and runs using a single AA battery. It is fixed to a 1000 dpi and uses a laser-grade optical sensor. We have a very simple box packaging here, which will open now. The mouse is really lightweight at 75 grams, which can go up to 110 grams when adding the battery weight. The mouse is pretty small as well, with a dimension of 2.75 inches height, 1.57 inches width, and 4.1 inches depth. And we have the mouse itself here. It is indeed pretty small, at least for my hands or compared to the mouse that I've used. We also have some paperworks here, the user guide and some regulatory or those kinds of papers here. And that's it. Let's go back to the mouse. We have the scroll wheel / middle button here. Then the usual left and right clicks, which are really clicky. We don't have any other buttons from the side. Both from left and right side, no other buttons. So it's just a simple 3-button mouse. We have the on and off slider at the bottom. The slider feels very sturdy. We also have 2 small feet at the top, and we can slide this cover down to open it, which will reveal the battery compartment as well as the USB dongle compartment. The mouse is made of durable plastic, which feels sturdy and probably can withstand everyday use. The plastic is rust-proof and corrosion resistant, ensuring longevity. It has an ambidextrous design, making it comfortable for both right-handed and left-handed users. The shape is ergonomic, fitting well in the hand for extended use without causing discomfort. Even with its compact size, I don't feel any strain in my hand when using it. And since it is very lightweight, it makes it easy to carry around and use on the go. The buttons are responsive and provide a satisfying click. The scroll wheel is smooth and precise, allowing for easy navigation. Overall, the build of Logitech B175 offers a reliable and comfortable build, making it a good choice for everyday use, especially for those who have smaller hands. The Logitech B175 mouse uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, which provides a stable and lag-free experience. This frequency is common for wireless peripherals and ensures a reliable connection. The mouse comes with a USB nano receiver that you plug into your computer's USB port. The receiver is ultra-compact and can be left in the USB port without getting in the way. The B175 is a plug-and-play device, meaning no additional software or drivers are required. Simply plug in the receiver and the mouse will automatically connect to your computer. The wireless range is up to 10 meters or about 33 feet, allowing you to use the mouse comfortably from a distance. But that's it. There's no other mode of connection here. No option for wired connection, not a Bluetooth connection. So make sure that you don't lose the USB dongle. When you lost it, the mouse will basically be useless. B175 uses one AA battery. Logitech is kind enough to provide a free alkaline battery with the mouse. The expected battery life is up to 1 year with regular use. This long battery life is achieved through efficient power management and a power-saving mode that helps extend the battery's lifespan. This claimed 12 months of battery life remains to be seen, but it looks very feasible considering that there's no lights here other than the sensor. With its very compact and very simple design, the mouse consumes very little power indeed. The Logitech B175 mouse is a straightforward, no-frills device, and this extends to its customization options and software companion. The mouse does not offer any extensive customization options. Unlike some of the more advanced Logitech mice, the B175 is designed for basic use and does not support button remapping nor DPI adjustments. This makes it a simple and easy-to-use device, but it may not be suitable for users who require more advanced customization. The B175 also does not come with a dedicated software companion like Logitech Options or Setpoint. This means that users cannot customize the mouse settings or access advanced features through software. The lack of software companion is in line with the mouse's budget-friendly and straightforward design. As you might have realized at this point, Logitech B175 mouse is primarily designed for everyday use and office tasks rather than gaming. It has a fixed DPI setting of 1000 dpi. This is sufficient for general use but may not provide the precision and responsiveness that gamers typically look for in a gaming mouse. The The polling rate is not specified, but it is likely to be lower than that of dedicated gaming mice. A higher polling rate is important for reducing input lag in fast-paced games. B175 also lacks customization options, such as programmable buttons and adjustable DPI settings, which are common features in gaming mice. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection provides a stable and lag-free experience for general use, but it may not be as responsive as wired gaming mice or high-end wireless gaming mice. While the B175 has a comfortable and ergonomic design, it may not be suitable for extended gaming sessions due to its basic build, lack of specialized features, and a very compact size. Logitech B175 is not intended for gaming and may not meet the needs of serious gamers. It is best suited for everyday tasks, office work, and casual use. If you're looking for a mouse specifically for gaming, you might want to consider other options that offer higher DPI settings, customizable features, and better performance for gaming. Although B175 mouse is a reliable and budget-friendly option, it does have many limitations compared to other mice. It uses Logitech's advanced optical tracking, which allows it to work on most surfaces, including wood, plastic, and fabric. However, it may struggle on highly reflective or transparent surfaces like glass. For optimal performance, it's best to use it on a mouse pad or a non-reflective surface. As mentioned earlier, it also has a fixed DPI setting of 1000 DPI. It lacks customization options and does not come with a dedicated software companion. It is definitely not designed for gaming and may not meet the needs of serious gamers. It lacks features for customizable buttons and a high polling rate. The whole plastic design may be less robust compared to premium models. It is a great choice for everyday use and office tasks, but it may not be suitable for users who require advanced features, high sensitivity, or gaming performance. The Logitech B175 mouse is a solid choice for several types of users or groups of people who would benefit most from this mouse, like the office workers, students, kids, casual users, travelers, and the budget-conscious consumers. However, if you're a gamer, graphic designer, or someone who requires advanced features and customization, you might want to look for a more specialized mouse. But for general use and basic tasks on the budget, Logitech B175 might be one of the best options for you. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No bear.